Hello friends, I'm Ashwini and I'm back with my 8th video of learning Hiragana alphabets. In my previous videos, I had taught you how to make the mixed sounds using the Hiragana alphabets. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make long sounds with the Hiragana alphabets. Now to make the long sounds, first we are going to learn how to make the Hiragana long A sounds. For this, we are going to take the Hiragana A column alphabets. That is A, Ka, Sa, Ta, etc. And we can also take the mixed sounds like Kya, Gya, Ja, Nya, etc. Now, for example, here I have taken the alphabets A, Ka, Ba, and Ra. Now, when we add the Hiragana A, the oval A, to these alphabets, we get the long A sounds. When A is added to A, we get A. Ka added to A makes Ka. Ba added to A makes Ba. And Ra added to A makes the long sound Ra. Okay, let's see some examples. Now here I have underlined these two letters. That is Ka when added to A makes the long sound Ka, and it should be read together, not as Ka A. Okay, you have to read it as Ka. So this word becomes Oka-san. Oka-san means mother. In this example here, we have Ba with the letter A. So you have to read it as long Ba sound, that is Ba. So you have to read the word as Oba-san. Oba-san, that is grandmother. Okay. Now let's go to the next long E sounds. For this, we have to take the alphabets from the E column. That is to say, E, Ki, Shi, Chi, Ni, etc. To these alphabets, we are going to add the vowel E. For example, here I have taken E, G, Ni, and P. To these alphabets, when E is added, we get the long E sounds. E when added to E makes E. G added to E gives the long sound G. Ni added to E gives the long sound Ni. P added to E gives the long sound P. Let me read it once again. E, G, Ni, and P. Let's go with some examples. Now here we have Oji-san, Oji-san, which means grandfather. Kindly notice here that you have to make this long E sound, otherwise it may give a different meaning. So it should be read as Oji-san. The next one is Oni-san, Oni-san, which means elder brother. Iye, Iye means no. Let's go to the next long sound, that is the long O sounds. For this, we have to take the alphabets from O column, that is U, Ku, Su, Tsu, Nu, Fu, etc. and also the mixed sounds Q, Gu, Ju, Nu, etc. Now for example, here I have taken U, Shu, U, and Fu. To these alphabets, when the oval U is added, it makes the long U sounds. When U is added to U, you get the long sound U. When Shu is added to U, you get the long sound Shu. When U is added to U, it gives the long sound U. And when Fu is added to U, it gives the long sound Fu. I'll read it once again. U, Shu, you, and foo. Let's go with some examples. Here I have fusen, fusen, which means balloon. Cookie, cookie, which means air. Now let's go with the next long E sounds. Sorry, long A sounds. Here we have to take the alphabets from the A column. That is A, K, Se, Te, Ne, etc. To these alphabets, let's add A. Now for example, here I have taken Se and Be. When Se and Be is added to alphabet E, it also gives the long A sound. This is to be noticed here. When alphabets Se and Be, the alphabets from the A column are added to the E vowel, also gives the long A sound. When Se is added to E, we get say. It should not be pronounced as say. It is say. And when Be is added to E, it gives long Be sound. And here I have two more examples, A and Ne. When the vowel A is added to them, also gives the long A sound. So when A is added to A, it makes A. And when Ne is added to A, it gives the sound Ne. The long A sounds using this vowel A is very less. Mostly you will find words using E. So please note here. I'll read them once again. Here you should read it as say, be, ne, and a. I'm sorry, this is a and this is ne. Okay, let's go with some examples. The first one here I have given with the E sound. Here you have A with E. So read it as long A sound. So you should read this word as ega, ega, which means movie. Now here we have sensei, sensei, which means teacher. One-san, one-san, which means elder sister, and a means yes. So kindly note here that the long A sounds can be made using the vowel E or with the vowel A. Okay, let's go to the next sound, that is the long O sound. For this we have to take the alphabets from the O column, that is O, Ko, So, To, etc. and also from the mixed alphabets Kyo, Gyo, Jo, Nyo, etc. To these alphabets we have to add the vowel O. Now for example, here I have taken the letters O and Ko. To this, when the alphabet O, the vowel O is added, it gives us the long O sound. O added to O gives the long sound O, and Ko added to O gives the long sound Ko. Also friends, here when the alphabets from the O column are added to the alphabet U, also makes the long O sound. For example, here I have taken the alphabet Jo and Bo. When these alphabets are added to U, say Jo is added to U, we get the long sound Jo. You should not pronounce it as Jo-U. It is Jo. Bo is added to U. It makes the long sound Bo. I'll read it once again. O, ko, jo, and bo. Let's go with some examples. Now here we have kori. Ko with O makes the long O sound, so it gives kori, which is eyes. The second one is toi, which is far. Here we have another example. Shokudo, shokudo. We have U after the O alphabet. This also makes long O sound. So it should be pronounced as shokudo, which is canteen. And the last one is ototo, which is younger brother. So friends, in this video, we have learned how to make different long sounds. Keep practicing them. I'll come with my next video. Keep watching and keep waiting. Thank you.